We used to press them on a manual press. Very labor intensive, took 2 to 3 times longer per part, and they weren't uniform. Press them. They're intolerant, but they had a little ridge to them. Now they're more uniform. Look better, go faster.